Again, I will show you this leaf. So we just studied the first orchid leaf is turning to the side view. So it's turning towards to the side and the twist in the middle. Now, if I turning the leaf in this side and watch the curved line from here and here. And you can see the curve, the arch there's more like a curved in this shape. And it's the stroke, you can see it's like the second leaf. So it represents a leaf that is forefront more towards us. And it's the leaf is shorter than the first one. It may look like it's shorter, or we may think it's a shorter or smaller size of leaf. But actually, it's the same leaf. However, we are viewing it in a different perspective, but it's actually the same leaf. Okay, so the first one is the leaf long and stretched to the side. We see it from the side view. And then the second leaf is falling front. So we're seeing this leaf going towards us. So you can see it's the same length, but the curves is more. And also you can see it's a forefront. So this is the first one going side view. And this line could be the same as this one, the same length. However, the direction is coming towards us. So you see the perspective, right? And you see the depth with these two strokes. So my teacher, or this passed from the ancient master as well. So my teacher showed me this shape, how it looks like, this shape. A fish head, and there are some scales like the back of the fish. The fins and the tail from here. Can you see a jumping fish? It's jumping sideways, like from a sideway to the water, right? So this is a way my teacher showed me how to check the first two orchid leaves. You will see a jumping fish and with a head here, and you can see the fish body. If you see, sometimes we may find, for example, if this is a first line, if we find our two leaves, we can't see the fish body. That means you need to feed your fish a little bit more. It's too thin, right? So you need to see the fish body. Sometimes we see this shape. The fish is too big, the body, right? So it's a way to check the shape of these two leaves. This is a third stroke, and it crosses through the fish, through the back, and it's forming another natural part here. Our masters call this part a phoenix eye. Have you seen a phoenix? The eyes is long, right? Non-long and natural. So we want to form this part as the phoenix eye here. And again, it starts from the root, so it indicates touching down is from the same center. And again, the thick cross the thin. And another curve. Okay, so this is the phoenix eye. It's crossing the fish back. Okay, so let's try this movement first. So we draw the first two lines and then the third one crossing the fish back. A more stretched curve.